Find or read reviews that people are talking about Daxiga space heater for indoor use. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Efficient and powerful electric heater. This space heater uses 1500 watt PTC heating element. It heats up quickly in 2 seconds and spreads warmth at a rate of 15 feet per second. Suitable for bedroom, office, bathroom, garage, and large rooms. Remote control and adjustable timer. Allows you to adjust the heater's temperature, timer, oscillation, and more from a distance. While the easy-to-program timer allows you to select 1 hour to 12 hours, in 1-hour intervals. Adjustable thermostat. The digital display allows you to adjust the heating modes that provide a range of temperatures you can choose from and instantly switch to in order to meet your needs. With an easy-to-read digital temperature display, you can select a wide range of temperatures in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Multiple safety indoor heater. The advanced ceramic PTC heating element ensures safe and energy-efficient operation, making it an eco-friendly choice. Without setting the timer function, the space heater will shut down automatically when it has been used for 6 hours straight in case the user forgets to power it off. Energy efficiency. Choose from 900 watt/1500 watt modes, plus Eco mode for tailored power use. The electric heater optimizes real-time energy consumption, saving on bills and resources. User-friendly design. Navigate with ease using the LED display. Screen-off modes cater to night use. With a lightweight body and handles design, make the heater as easy to carry from room to room, home to office. Upgraded the cord length to 1.8 meter or 6 feet. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.